In this video, I'm going to clear your all doubts about what is exploratory data analysis. So let's start with the video. It is basically very first step before starting any analysis and assumptions about your data. I take out these questions which will clear your all doubts about exploratory data analysis. First, what is EDA in data science? Exploratory data analysis is technique to analyze data using statistics and graphical method, which includes finding patterns and correlation between data. Second, what is the purpose of EDA? The main purpose of EDA to find underlying patterns in a data and get familiar with data, and also check out this data is right fit for your model or not. And at the same time, openness and skepticism approach is very important to perform EDA. Openness means you should open to all possibilities before doing exploration, and skepticism means whatever the information you get from the data is not misleading. Third, what are the types of EDA? Basically, there are two types. First is graphical and second is quantitative, means non-graphical. In graphical methods include analyzing data using diagrams and visual plots, and in quantitative methods include statistics and probability to perform your analysis. These two methods further divided into four parts. First is univariate non-graphical, second is univariate graphical, third is multivariate non-graphical, and fourth is multivariate graphical. Univariate means you use only one data column to analyze your data, and multivariate means you take two or more columns to analyze and find a relationship between your data. Fourth and most important, what are the steps involved in EDA? You can perform EDA using various tools like Excel, Python, R language. So if you consider Python, so first of all you need to load your data into dataset using pandas library. So whatever you need to do is, so first is define your data frame. Now using describe method we get one data table which includes some statistical parameters like mean, median, standard deviation, and some quantiles and maximum minimum. So through which this statistical parameter we can take assumptions and analyze our data. Second, we can also use the shape method to actually find out what are the size of our data set. So we get familiar with data set, what are the types of our data set. Then we need to check is our data set having null values or not. For that we can use isNull function in Python, which will give us those whatever the sum value for a particular column. After we finding some null values, we can use fillNA function to fill these values with particular text or value. After doing this cleaning and analysis, we can use visual method to find patterns and perform our analysis. So for this, we can use Seaborn library to take out some nice plots. Some of the plots like count plot, bar plot, relational plot, cluster plot, etc., through which we can perform our visual analysis, and by visualization method we can find some patterns and correlation between data. So these are the steps to perform any EDA which will help you to do your own EDA in your own data. If you carefully watch this video, I am 100% sure that you are ready to go with any data set and perform EDA. So keep showing your support and love in comment sections, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. Until then, keep gaining knowledge. Bye bye.